STEAM lesson for January the 28th. We're still in natural resources. We've gone through and talked about water, soil, and now this week we're on trees. Here are the objectives. The book that we're going to be using is The Giving Tree, and here is the link for it. The word of the week is shelter, a place giving protection from bad weather or danger. These vocabulary words will be on the board as well. Poem for the week is here. I also have it down here so that you can make a copy of it. And right here is the preload video. I have two here. This one is very interesting to the students, but not necessarily necessary, I guess, for the lesson, but it's very interesting about the sequoia trees. This one right here is a must because it's going to show the students how to make a debris shelter in real life. And I'll move that up a little bit later. Background information is here. We need to talk about how trees provide oxygen for us to breathe, how they provide food. It gives some examples, houses, paper products, furniture, and see if the kids can name some of the objects that are familiar to them in the classroom, in the playground, outside, at home, so that they can kind of get an idea of how many things really are made of wood. The video in the STEAM lab will be tree rings. Here's the link to it. Students can observe. I will have a box that have these little cookie rings there for them to observe. Several large pieces of wood that's been cut out so they can observe and count the rings if they want to. This shouldn't take but just a few minutes. Then the main activity will be here. They will take from this video that they watched before they got in the STEAM lab, but right here they will need a flat piece of clay. I have a piece of paper that they will be working off of, but they'll put the clay here, flatten it out, and with some of the sticks that are on the table, they will build a debris hut. There are some leaves, evergreen leaves, and they can put them on the side and make a little debris hut. And if they want to, they can make a little Play-Doh figurine to kind of put inside that would represent a person. Here's another picture of one that the students did last year. There's one other thing that's not on here that I will put on, but I will have an example. There will be a tub of water. When water is ice cold or really, really cold, and you put a pine cone in the water, it closes up in order to protect those seeds inside. So I've not tried it, so this would be an experiment for you guys. So there will be a basket of pine cones, there will be ice to put in a tub of water, and let's see if it really does work. So that's an extra. It's not on here, but it will be when I print them out. So here are here's a lesson for the week, and I hope you have a good time with it.